Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple breakfast recipe. It's so delicious and very filling, and once you try out this recipe every morning, trust me, you'll be preparing this recipe. So let's get cooking. So first of all, I'm going to be preparing my plantain. Plantains are so healthy and they're very yummy. So here I have a bunch of plantain. I bought them in the supermarket and it cost me 200 Kenya shillings. So I'm going to be using, because it is breakfast for one person, I'll be using 2 plantains. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the ends. Then I'm going to peel my plantains. Once you're finished peeling the plantains, you'll cut the plantains to a desired shape. So this is how I'm going to be cutting my plantains. I'm going to be cutting diagonal. So this is how I love my plantains to be looking. Now I'm going to be frying my plantains. Move to the stove top and on medium-high flame, I'm going to be frying my plantains. So add about a tablespoon of oil. Then I'm going to gently drop in my plantains. So you can shallow fry your plantains or you can even deep fry. So you'll cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Then you flip. My plantains are ready. So I'm going to put this aside in a paper towel so that they can drain the excess oil. So I have a cucumber and some grapes. So I'm going to peel my cucumber. So I'm going to cut my cucumber in 2. Then I'm going to cut it again. Cut into smaller pieces. In the same pan, I'm going to fry my sausages. So I'll add some more oil into the pan. Just a little bit. Not that much. Then I'll add my sausages in the pan. Yeah. So as I've said, this breakfast recipe is for one. You can add more ingredients to the pan if you are cooking for more people. Yeah. So my sausages are ready. I'm going to put this aside. Then now I'm going to be making my scrambled eggs. So I'm going to use 2 large eggs. Then I'll whisk. So what you want to do, you want to incorporate as much air as possible. I'll add a little bit of salt to taste. Whisk again. Still using the same pan. So I'll use the same oil I used to fry my sausages. So now I'll add my eggs. If you want nice and scrambled eggs, you have to cook your eggs on low. You'll scrape the sides of the pan so that the eggs can cook through. So you'll cook the eggs to your desired taste. So I don't like my eggs runny. I just like them cooked but not overcooked. I'm going to put my eggs on a plate. Then I'm going to place my sausages, some plantains. This is a bit too much. So you can have these 2 plantains for 2 people because it's a little bit much for me, too much for me. Then I'm going to take my skewer. I have the long ones. Put it in my skewer. Add a grape, a cucumber again. So my grapes are clean. Remember to wash your fruits each and every time. I can't resist having a bite. So now I'm going to place my skewers on the plates. This is a plate of goodness. So I'm also going to add a pinch of black pepper to my scrambled eggs. Also, I'll be making black coffee. So yeah, I have a kettle. I'm going to boil some water, then I'm going to add coffee into my mug. You can see. Then it's going to be sugarless. I like having my coffee sugarless. If you like, you can add sugar to your coffee. 1 teaspoon of coffee. I'm going to add my hot water into my coffee. My breakfast is ready. So I'm going to give this a try. My plantains are so delicious. Forever, plantains are always delicious. So you have to try this plantain recipe. This is a breakfast fit for kings and queens because my breakfast has proteins from the eggs and sausages. It has carbs from the plantains, fruits from the grape, and vegetable from the cucumber. So this is one healthy breakfast, and I hope you also love it the way I do. So thank you so much for watching until the end of the video, and I hope to see you on my next video. Ciao!